Hello everybody, this is Sonya. Okay, so I'm sitting out in the my lounge room. Excuse me, where I've spent a lot of my time in the last few days, or 2 weeks more. I'm sorry about the coughing. I thought I could start a video without doing that, but I have to have a drink, sorry. I hope the lighting's okay because I got my light here, but I haven't got it fastened onto the table. There we go. Now I've got my computer sitting here, my laptop, so I can see that if I'm on here, you can actually see what I'm doing, alright? Okay. I thought I might just open a couple of parcels that just come in the mail. I have been doing a bit of shopping on the internet, and I got these mail today, so this might make me a bit happy. Happy mail, maybe. I think it'll be right. I just haven't been very good, I'm sorry, to do any tutorials. I've been trying to do crafting, but I've made so much mess when I've been doing it, it's just not good. Anyway, I've got stamps. I bought these stamps because I really wanted them, and they're cool, aren't they? Now, I bought these off of, did I get them off eBay or AliExpress? Let me see. I think I might have got them off eBay. And they didn't cost me hardly any money. I mean, they're probably $3, if that. And isn't that cool? Because it's got, I wanted this text here, which is really good, isn't it? And then there's the Thanksgiving ball. It's got a few different ones on there. The ticket one, I really like that. I do. That's a really good buy for that, because I know we pay a fair bit of money for stamps here in Australia. Okay, I know I got a stencil too, so maybe I've got a couple of stencils. Let me see what's in this one. Is this one? No, that's not one. That's one of my daughter's mails. I better let her open that. This one here is from, this must be one of my stencils. I don't want to cut it. So, I'll finish showing you these. I'm going to show you what I've been doing while I've been not well. It makes you so tired, really. You wouldn't think crafting could make you tired, but it is. Oh yes, that's what I wanted. Actually, this is way bigger than I thought it was going to be, so that's okay, don't mind. Still, it's really cool, eh? Look. It's got that on there. It's pretty, and there's France, Paris, and some brick wall. I do like a bit of brick wall. Look at that. So that's good for stencil. I think that wasn't much money neither. I think it might have been a couple of dollars, if that. You can see some of it's not cut out very good, but I'm sure we can fix that. That'll just come off, I guess. If you only pay cheap, you don't expect anything really expensive, but it's going to be fine. I mean, I wanted the brick part, and I probably wanted this here to put on bits and pieces, but so that's really good. Okay, so I've got those two things there. Then I've got some more. Oh no, that's an empty one. I've got some more silk, some more sari silk from India. I did. So I paid. Oh, what did I pay for this one? Not very much. I seem to be very lucky when I come to doing this. I've got all the stamps there, Mother Teresa. There's it looks like it's been kicked about a bit, doesn't it? Hopefully there's all the goodies in here that I require, and I'll be right. Hey. And I've actually so far got 2 parcels from them. Well, it could be the 3rd one, I don't know. But I just wait until I get a chance, and I go on there when nobody else has been bidding very much, and I just get something, and oh my goodness, look at this goodie in here, look at that. Cool. Well, this is definitely bound to make me feel better today. I don't know whether this was a 30 pack or 50, sometimes you get, but I know I've not ever paid out more than $10, never, and I think this one was only $7 something, but anyway, so I hope you just can see what I've got here. Look at this. Oh dear, look, it is nice. Oh wow, I don't think I've got one like that before. Isn't that cool? I hope this light's not interfering with what we can see here. I think it mightn't be doing much good. I thought I'd make this while hubby was up the street getting a few things, so I'm not interfering. Look at this. Look how much work's in that. Oh my goodness me. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh. Really nice. Here's another one. Oh dude, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? Look. Hope you can see this without... I think I might be having a bit of light trouble here, haven't I? I probably should have the light behind me, should I? Oh dear, I hope it's alright. Oh, look at this. Oh wow. Look at that one. Isn't it neat? See, these have got a lot of beading in that on them, these ones. Oh. Sometimes they smell a bit oily. This is beautiful. Look at that. Look at the sequins and things on this. Oh dear. Oh, look at this one. Oh. And they're so nice. You know what? I got a funny feeling that that's the plumber out the front. And if it is, I'm going to have to finish this one and come back and do part two because I can't turn it off. It's either the plumber or the electrician because both of them are supposed to be coming here to fix things for me. Oh, isn't that nice? Look at them. And these beautiful pieces. Wow. Look at them tiny little sequences they're sewed onto there. These are so beautiful. Oh, I do like this lot. This collection's beautiful. Oh, there you go. Oh, look at that. These lovely beads. If it is in, they usually sit in their car and do some texting or something for some whatever they're doing and make sure they're in the right place. Yeah, they're coming up the door, up the... Hang on, so I'll talk to you later. I'll be back in a minute. Bye-bye.